Ba banana. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to bring you this Mastercraft Beast Kingdom Minions Stuart and Bob and Kevin MC-041 Universal Studios. It's one of my only big figs. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular big fig comes in at 35 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters deep by 34.5 centimeters high. Pretty heavy, I will tell you that. It's got beautiful crafting. You wouldn't expect anything less from Beast Kingdom. The paint job is just flawless and just, I mean, what a representation of these little animated creatures. Your land design is pretty cool. Number 387 of 3,000. Look at his smile. Look at his eyes. Wow, this is cool. And the paint job and the lights and the way they hit. It's just totally awesome the way that looks. I mean, they're just spot on characters that have been pretty much brought to life here. It's fantastic. Look at this goggle. It's awesome. The eye. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. There's this little, which looks like an old lunch bell, but it might be a suitcase. I don't know. I'd say it's a lunch bell. Old style lunch bell. Look at the detail on that. I'll show it to you. The bass guitar, ladies and gentlemen. Only 4 strings. This bag looks like it's leather. I mean, when you really look at it, it's like, wow, I can't believe it's not leather. But the straps in the back, which you can't see here, are leather, or some sort of plastic, because you can move them. What a great representation of this figurine, ladies and gentlemen. Here you go, MC-041, Minions, Mastercraft by Beast Kingdom, Stuart and Bob and Kevin. Have fun, rock on, hug someone you love, peace.